Hey, Uncle Buck.
Yes, sir.
Something in your ear.
That's where I put it. Okay, we are doing practice SGDs. Practice test number 1. Question number 46. We are doing the surface area of the cylinder. First thing you want to, and that's the outside, all the outside surface of that cylinder. And if you imagine this can, like a can, that had a wrapping around it that was completely from the top to the bottom, like a label, you would understand that it goes all the way around it, and all the way around the circle is a diameter, and that's important to know that. So we're gonna have to do the wrapper and then the top and the bottom. I'm gonna have to imagine you're gonna have to paint some big, like a silo or something, a big cylinder, and you were trying to figure out how much paint you would need. You would have to do the surface area, and this would come in handy. So the formula for the circumference of a circle is pi d, right here, pi times diameter, and then we're going to multiply it by the height, because that would be the height of the label, and you'd have to multiply those two. So imagine unwrapping a label from a can and then measuring. You have a big rectangle laying on the table or wherever you unwrapped it from. Then you're going to multiply it by height. So plugging these values in, circumference is equal to pi, it was 3.14 approximately. That's an approximation because that number just keeps going on. Times the diameter. Diameter, this is a radius given. So the diameter is going to be how much? How many radii, Fabian?
Oh, sorry, I'm just recording.
What's this? I know it's
That's
recording.
6.
And I'm asking you what a diameter is. You should know.
Yeah, the diameter.
Is how what do you do with a radius to get a diameter? Here's a radius, 6.
Yeah, 6, and then don't you have to?
Yeah, so it'd be 12, right?
Yeah.
Good. Times a height, which is another 12.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's 12 times 12, or 12 squared is 144. You know that, right? Times 3. So it'd be, this lines up to be 144 times 3.
Can I?
0.14. Okay, see that? Now we got to do the top and the bottom. Okay, is it filming all right? Okay, top is pi r squared, so it'd be 3.14 times a radius, which is 6. Now we need that 6, and that's going to be squared. Now we got to multiply that by 2, because there are how many sides here? Top and the bottom, which would be 2 sides.
Yep.
So we got to do this part and do this part, and then add them up. So this 6 squared is going to be 36 times 2 will be 72. Just make our job a little easier. So all this in a calculator, which is around there somewhere.
That good old phone. Comes in handy. Can you show the viewers after you get the
Okay, 72 times 3.14 equals 226. I'm going to round it off to the nearest whole number, because it's 226.08 is what I have. And these are only approximations, by the way. And anytime you throw pi in there, it's going to be an approximation. It's not going to be exactly equal. And you got a wavy line like that. And then you got 144 times 3.14 equals 452. And I rounded that off. You get 8 here, a 7 there, and a 6. So the volume of this, or no, the surface area, I'm sorry, the surface area of this, wrapping all the way around it, the top and the bottom, is 678 square inches. It wouldn't be cubed because that would be a volume. This is a surface area, so it's going to be in units squared.